Romans chapter 5 verse 10. Paul writes, "For if, when we were enemies, we were reconciled to God by the death of his Son, much more, being reconciled, we shall be saved by his life." This is how the New Living Translation puts it. "For since our friendship with God was restored by the death of his Son, while we were still his enemies, we will certainly be saved through the life of his Son." We were reconciled to God by the death of his Son. In other words, the death of his Son restored our friendship with God. Paul clearly puts it. Being reconciled to God alone is not enough to save us. For the whole world has been reconciled to God by the death of his Son. Salvation by reconciliation alone makes the puzzle of salvation incomplete. Now, take a look at the next part of the verse. We shall be saved by his life. It is the life of Jesus Christ which shall save us. It is not how much you know about God and his Son theoretically. It is not how much you go to church. It is not how you sing. In other words, our works cannot save us. What can save us is having Christ formed from within, having the righteousness of Christ in us, having the Spirit of Jesus in our hearts. He that has the Son has eternal life. He that has the Son has salvation. I want to assure you that your salvation is certain only if you have Christ in you. Even if Christ comes today, you are ready for heaven since you have the King of heaven in you. The only condition of salvation is faith, for by it we receive the saving merits of Jesus Christ. This is the peak of the gospel. Christ in you, the hope of glory. Colossians 1 verse 27. Do you really have Christ in you?